Assalamu alaikum, welcome to SMKit. Today I will show you how to draw bicycle in AutoCAD 2D as shown on the screen. So we will start our video directly. We will go with the first we will draw the wheel. So we'll start with that with the circle. I'll take one circle with 50 units, one more circle with 45 units, one more from the same center point with the 43 units. Again circle with 3 units, 7 and 10. Now we will draw one line from here to here. This line not required from here, so I'll delete that. Okay, trim that extra portion of the line, and we will array this polar, the center point, and number of item will be, I will say, 18. Enter. So you can see the structure of wheel is ready. I will copy this from here with the 180 unit to right side. Enter. Now we'll take one random line from here to up with the 100 units and right side 180 units, then again coming down with 100 units. So it's coming to the exactly center of the circle. Now the again one more from here to this side with 80 units. Enter. And then go down with the, I will say, 12 units. Enter. Here I will draw one circle with 20 units, one more with 17 units, and one with the 3 unit. Okay, you will delete the extra lines which is not required. Okay, now we will make another line from the wheel side, line from here sorry, I think it is click somewhere else, so we'll draw the line, shift and then right click, we go with tangent point. Okay, so we'll go with here and here also shift right click, tangent. Enter. Again same line, shift right click and select tangent from here. Here also we have to just shift right click and tangent. Enter. Now we will take some offset. So offset, how we will do offset? We need from here to here, and this line also from here to this side. So the extra lines we will just trim. TR double enter. Okay, this line which we make it array, so it will not go, it will not trim like this, so we have to explode that first, but let's finish which one we can trim. Now we'll just simply type X, select object, array, enter. So it will now explode. Again we will type trim, Now we'll just draw now the pedal of the cycle. So I'll enter, shift here, tangent from here, random line like this, enter, and again we'll take just an offset from that, offset from here to here. Okay. And we will just make one rectangle, extend this line and trim which we have extra. You can maybe move a little bit for a better shape. Yeah, okay. Now we will take another line from here, almost up to here, and we will take one offset with 5 to this side. We'll extend this and we will copy this same from here to here. We'll extend again these lines. Okay. Now another line, we will take it from, you can see these lines, this one. We will now draw this point. So from here I'll enter and again shift right click, tangent from here. We'll go up to there and we will offset this from here to here. Click on the line here. So the extra line we will trim again. This line we will delete. I'll delete this line also, which is not now not necessary for that. Okay, almost it is the structure is done. We will now, what is remaining here, this line remaining, this portion, so we'll go with this. We'll take one line, random line from here, like this, and just again we'll take one offset with 6 unit to down, extend this line and trim this line from here. Extra line also will trim. So the structure of the cycle is almost ready. We will do some trimming here also. This area also we need to explode, so it will be trim. Delete this line also, not required now. There some small finishing you have to take care about that, because sometime maybe I'll leave the finishing part, but it is only for education purpose. Now you can see now the structure is ready. We will just draw the seat of bicycle. So I will offset this line with the 1 unit from here to this one, and this one also like this. Okay, and just from here, from this middle, I will randomly come to here and I will trim these lines. Sorry, this one here and here. Okay, now we'll make one seat, random seat. You can make any design. Just I will draw one line with 10 units, and I will make just random some arcs. So almost this is ready. Move from here, just keep it here and remove this line. Just I will make a small adjustment from here, almost like that. So you can see it is looks like norm smaller. So we will make a little bit bigger with the scale command. S C enter and have a look on that how much you want to make scale. I think it is looks now better. So it's okay. Now we'll go with the we'll go to the handle point. So here again I will make an offset with 1 unit like this, and I will extend that one little bit more because handle is little bit upper than the seat. And here again I will just take this middle random. There is no specific dimension for that, but only from my own side I'm just designing like that. Okay, and we will just delete this line and make one line like that. We take one random line from here and we'll copy this and we will draw two circles, one and one more also. With the help of trim, just remove this extra line. Handle you can make with any other design, but this is just random design I make it. Now the last one is the guards around the tires. So I will make one arc for the back side from here. So I will go with the arc from here. That is also up to your convenience. You can edit that, and I will take one offset from this with the 2 points, 2 units to down, and just close from here to there. So just small modification required here, then you can do by your own, I hope. And to the front side also guard, so I'll just start from here. I think it will be enough that much. And offset 2 units. We'll see which one is okay. Upside, yeah, downside is okay. So we'll close again these both ends and do some trimming for final look. So I hope you like this video. This is just for education purpose only. Might be some plus minus there, but this is only just to get the commands how to you can use the command in AutoCAD for your designing. I hope you like this video. Please share with your friends. and follow me for more AutoCAD tutorials.